This is a Talbot Matra Rancho Super Impressed DRS combo owned by none other than Jonny Smith. In the last episode, which I'll leave a link in the description, we finally got the cage in and made this whole structure absolutely solid. In this episode, we're going to continue on the sills, hopefully get this buttoned up on this side and then do something else on this car. Let's do it, man. Right, today we're on with the sills. Now we made this sill panel in the previous episode and this has got a nice line, well not currently, but it's got a nice line going all the way down the side of this door. Now we just need to finish this off, get this all welded up. We've got this to make and we've got to extend it further back. We do have this panel, got this that we've made in a previous episode, so we can get this primed on the inside and stitched on as well, and that basically goes on here. I do need to contour it slightly there as well. And make a little lip on the bottom. But that's the general consensus of this episode. So we're going to try and get a lot of this buttoned up. I'm not going to fully weld it on yet because we do have some work to do on the inside, which I mentioned in the previous episode, which is a bit of an issue. Let's do it. I've finished that off, primed that, that's done, bada bing, bada boom. I've put this sill back in here because I do want to contour this, which actually goes on here, into that so it's nice and seamless. So we've actually made this panel here and this bend, sorry, to spot weld it onto the top of there, but we couldn't do the bend on the bottom because the clamp where the jig was sat on was actually in the way. So I've actually left that. Now, what I might do is straighten this out and then start to contour the bottom of this to this to make sure it fits this. And then I'll rebend this, or I'll extend this so it goes onto here. I do actually have to cut this anyway, because as you can see, this goes down here. And that matches this, that matches that just there. So I do have a bend to put in it there. I've got an angle at the bottom and that angle at the very bottom down there as well. So there's a bit of work to do on that, and I do obviously need to cap this off or, you know, trim that. So there is a bit of work, but I'm going to take it over to the bender. I'll take this as well and I'll contour this to this, and then we can get it stitched on. Right, so I've done the back of that sill. I've tacked it on for now. I do need to fully weld that on, but that's just about done. Now I'm going to move on to this front, so I need to tie this sill into the A-pillar of the Subaru. Now, one thing I do need to take into consideration is the front wing that comes down here. Now, I need that front wing to be on the same plane or the same alignment as this outer sill, so I do need to actually step that in and then bring it so it's not like a step out to the wing, so it's nice and seamless. So I'm going to draw a line down here so I know where the door edge is, and then I can offset that by a couple of mil, form a panel gap, and then I can form that into there. So I do need to cut a little bit more of this out and make another top for this, but yeah, let's crack on. Right, so we've got this really long, nice sill that's really straight and I'm really happy with. So this obviously goes onto here. Now I've made this and tacked this section on. I will weld this eventually, but I just don't want to put too much heat into this. Now I've put this section on here, but I do need to cut into this because it does actually need to, it needs to fit. So that needs to fit onto there. And as you can see, it's actually fouling where the Subaru meets it. Now I'll probably need to take this door off and just contour this so it actually meets this. So I'm happy with everything down here. This is nice to this. This is all nice and straight. It fits on the bottom as well. I've got that little swoopy swoop on the bottom which caps off that pinch weld. But what I do need to do, like I say, is cut into this and basically make it meet the Subaru A-pillar. Right, progress is good. So I've got the sill tacked on. And, well, kind of tacked on. And you can actually see this gap that I was talking about earlier. Now, in the previous episode, I actually said that I'm going to amend the pinch welds on the Subaru to suit the sill and the door, because the door has to close onto the pinch weld, just like this, and then you've got a rubber here, and that creates a nice airtight seal, or watertight seal, or whatever, and wind noise and all that good stuff, bad stuff. However, looking at this pinch weld, it's actually triple skinned in some places, and it's double skinned all the way through, not to mention this corner that's going to be a pain. So what I'm going to have to do is cut this lip off of the sill that I've made and extend it into the pinch weld, which this side is good. This side it probably needs maybe 20 mil. So I'm going to do that, which is going to create, or it's going to keep that gap which I was trying to close from the door to the pinch weld. So what I'm going to have to do is cut the door open again and just pull the door skin in on the back here, and then feather it out towards this side, so it actually gives me a nice 10 mil gap between the door and the pinch weld, so then we can put that rubber on there. Bada bing, bada boom. Right, so I'm going to cut this off, make a piece, tack it on. Yeah, let's go. Right, and there we have it. That sill has turned out really well. I'm actually really happy with how that's turned out. I have made that extension piece, and it's nice and flush here, and it's also nice and flush against the pinch weld on the inside, so I'm happy with that. I do have this little bit to fade in as well, and the bit inside there to fade in, but I do want to take this door off. But now I know that that sill is good, so I'm free to take the door off and do whatever I need to do. This is all done, bada bing, bada boom. So that's going to be it for this episode. Do check us out in the next episode, where we'll continue on this sill and then hopefully make the other side as well, and that'll box all of this off, and then all we've got to do is the front end, and then we're bada bing, bada booming. Do get us on Instagram, Facebook, do like, subscribe, it does really help us out and hype the video as well, and we'll catch you in the next episode of the Subaru Rancho.